Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search images in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app. And here in the Lightroom app, it usually opens up in the gallery, but we have to go into Lightroom, the button in the middle. And from here, if we tap on the little search icon in the top of the screen, we can type here anything that we want, that we are interested in. So let's say we want to find the pictures we took and we edited that have grapes in them. So we type here grapes, tap on search, and then the Lightroom app is going to search the pictures that have grapes in them. So here we found all of the pictures that have grapes, and same way we can search for anything else that we would like to find. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.